That's disgusting. Nasty. That's nasty, nigga. Yeah, I don't know. That's nasty, man. That's a disgusting sound. That's disgusting. That's nasty, man. Oh. That's a disgusting sound. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick, too. So whatever you want to do with that, that's nasty. Welcome back to 5 new patches. Are you ready to make something disgusting? Let's get into it right now. Alright, y'all, today we are working inside of Vital. I'm excited to get this going here, because Vital is just like a secret weapon for me. It's just so much fun to work in the sound. It's got a sound quality to it where it's like, oh man. Let's go ahead and initialize till the phase and random to 0. We're going to be working with these 5 patches using the Angry Electric Dog. It's like the most, like, I guess well-known, one of the more well-known wavetables in Vital. Angry Electric Dog sounds like this. Let's look at all the different patches we can get out of using this one wavetable. So let's go ahead and throw the frame to 163.4. Turn on oscillator 2. This is going to be the setup for every patch, by the way. Go to the factory section and basic shapes and phase and random to 0. And then oscillator 3 is going to be like something else. We'll go ahead and select the harmonic series this time. Phase and random to 0. All right. And go to envelope 2. Throw the attack out to about, I guess, 0.227. Throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator 1. Outer dot of minus 64.06, envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator 3. And outer dot of 95.37. Now let's beef it up. Compressor on, attack is up. It's quick weighted. It's like, this is basically our overdrive 60%, all right, in serum. So attack 68.03, low band up, minus 14.8. Equalizer on, high shelf to your liking, low shelf to your liking. That's it's already a disgusting sound. Let's make this move now. Throw the level of oscillator 3 down to 0. LFO 1 on the level of oscillator 3. Tempo to 1/8 for LFO 1. That's nasty. That's disgusting. That's nasty. And if we want to give it like a more like alien-y kind of sound, you can throw the unison on oscillator 3 from 1 voice to 2 voice and throw the detune out to maybe 2%. So now we've got that. See that? You hear that width in that sound from that detune? Kind of helps the harmonic aspect of this kind of stick out. That's disgusting. That's nasty, man. Holy crap. What a sick sound. That's the first sound. That's sick. Let's go ahead and save that. This is going to be a movement base. This is going to be called Galactic Kitty. All right, sick. Now, to make the second patch just basically off of this, now we have fun because we didn't even use any spectrum morph or wave morph on this at all. We'll throw a harmonic stretch onto oscillator 1 spectral morph. And we'll kind of modulate into a position. That's pretty cool, right? And we'll do this. Oh, okay, so now it's changing up. Kind of like that. That's a little different now. Oh, that's a disgusting sound. That's a nice little B sound for that. That's sick. We'll go ahead and call this galactic. Everything's going to be galactic. This is going to be galactic. Galactic Sloppy Joe. Yeah, Galactic Sloppy Joe. Because it's got that sloppiness to it, but it's also kind of tight. All right, sick. Now let's go ahead and initialize here. Phase and random to 0. And what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and do what we do. Anger Electric Dog. Frame to 116 point, what is that? 116.5. Throw envelope 2's attack out to about 0.239. Throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator 1. And outer dot of 69.14. Oscillator 2 is on. Factory section, basic shapes. Words. Phase and random to 0. Oscillator 3 is on. We'll go to the factory section. We'll go ahead and select drink the juice, okay? Phase and random to 0 here. And we'll go ahead and throw the frame to 116.5. Throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator 3. And outer dot of 85.20. Now we'll beef it up. Compressor on. Attack up to about 65.29. Low band up. Minus 14.1. Equalizer on. High shelf to your liking. Low shelf to your liking. That's nasty, man. Ugh. Now we can, let's see here what we can do. Data compress this. I'm just playing around here. Give me a second. Okay, that's pretty sick. Whoa. That's pretty sick. Hold on. Whoa. Sounds like some robot starting. That's pretty sick. So what I did was spectromorph of oscillator 3 is harmonic stretch. Throw that 21.76. Throw, what is this? Throw LFO1 onto the harmonic stretch here and put that to 0.782. Or actually, that's envelope 2, not LFO1. That's envelope 2 on the harmonic stretch of oscillator 3 with the outer dial of 0.782. All right, there we go. Now, what we're going to have here is going to be LFO1 onto the level of oscillator 3 with the level of oscillator 3 down to 0. And just throw that on there. How it is how it is. That'll be correct. Now go to the spectrum morph of oscillator 1, select random amplitudes, and go ahead and put that to 31.56. Now go to the wave morph of oscillator 1 and select sync and put that to 0.276. That's nasty. Now to kind of beef this up even more, give it some texture, throw a reverb on, low cut to 82.82, mix down to about 9.705, time out to 5.278 with a delay time of 0.168. Woo! That's now. I'm just playing a bunch of notes at the same time. That's a pretty sick sound, though. Ugh. I just like that. I like that 30-second note, and you can change the tempo of LFO1. That's pretty sick too. So whatever you want to do with that, that's nasty. That's nasty. So we'll go ahead and save that there. That's saved. Preset movement base. This is Galactic Showdown. Hard. Fire. Oh, I forgot to make it 16th notes. Just, yeah, you'll remember. You can make it 30-second notes if you want. I saved it as 16th notes. My bad. All right. Let's go ahead and initialize. Phase and random to 0. And let's go ahead, go to Anger Electric Dog. 126.1 on that. Wavetable position. Envelope 2's attack is going to be out to about 0.104 really fast. Envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator 1. That's nasty. Outer dial minus 109.1. Turn on oscillator 2. Factory section basic shapes. Phase and random is 0. That's nasty. Now go ahead and go to the local link section again. Go ahead and select Baziris. Phase and random to 0. Alright. Frame to 70.91. Envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator 3. Oh man, outer dial on that to 205.1. Effects section, compressors on. Attack is up to 66.88, and low band is up. Minus 14.8. That's nasty. High shelf to your liking with an equalizer now. Low shelf to your liking. That's nasty. Reverb is going to be really cool for this. Low cut is up to 74.79. Mixed down to about 12.45. Timing is out to about 5.820 with a delay time of 0.114. That's nasty. We've got a cool tone now. Now we just got to make this work somehow. That's not doing much. That's nasty. Oh. Oh. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's nasty, man. Whoo! So what I did was spectromorph of oscillator 1 is going to be harmonic stretch. Go ahead and put that to 29.01. Go ahead and, what's the modulator on here? Go ahead and throw envelope 2 onto the harmonic stretch with an outer dial of 0.388. Okay? What else did I do this? What else did I do to this? Unison on oscillator 1 is 1 voice to 2 voice with a detune of 2%. I think that's all I did. That's nasty, man. That flow is that syncopation. That flow is sick. That's a whole song right there. What if that was a song? It'd be like, that's disgusting. Nasty. That's nasty, nigga. Yeah, I don't know. That's it though. That's hard. Woo, that's a sick sound. And, it's just so it's so lush and like fluffy. I love the way this sounds. That's sick. Let's go ahead and save this. Movement base. This is Galactic Pawn Shop. Sick. How many Galactics have we made? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's, oh, we made 6. No, yeah, 1. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 4. We got one more to make here. So what we'll do here, we'll play off of this patch And we'll go ahead and add a sync to oscillator 3, see what happens. I like to start deep and then like really like swing it in. That's nasty. Go ahead and put a sync on this wavemorph of oscillator 3. Put that to 25.29. Envelope 2 onto the sync with an outer dial of 0.809. Now we have a harmonic on top of that. That's pretty sick. What else can we do here? That's alien right there. I'm gonna get it. I really kind of liked it. What did I have that was sounding really alien? I lost it. Oh, this. I like that right there. Harmonic stretch on oscillator 1, change that to 17.64. I was really finding the sweet spots there. On the wavemorph of oscillator 1, that's a formant, and that is going to be at 88.43. That's a different sound right there. Oscillator 1's level's down to 0. Go ahead and throw LFO 1 onto the level of oscillator 1, and tempo is 1/8. So now we've got... Now it's moving. That's disgusting. That's nasty. That's disgusting. That's nasty, man. That's a disgusting sound, man. That's the sound on that. That's a good switch up on that. Nah, my timing was off. Damn it, I missed a note. It shouldn't have been dun dun dun. It's been dun 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 dun. So. That bass line has so many like variations of complexity. That could be a sick song. That's dope. But there it is. Those are your 5 patches, your galactic patches for Vital this week in patch production. This is number 8. Absolutely disgusting. Vital is so much fun. I have a lot of fun finding these sweet spots, but those are the sounds. You can get these patches every single month at patreon.com/heartacademy. If you like these videos, it goes a long way and helps me out a ton. And just liking and leaving a comment and subscribe if you haven't. And that's all I got to say today. I hope you guys enjoyed and you're able to make some awesome patches. Talk to you guys in the next one. Boom.